Hey guys, this is Alex, and this is one of my favorite songs.
Alright, I think I'm done here. There are really nice pictures here, as I'm someone who appreciate good pictures. I think this is really incredible pictures, and I think it's time to go back to work because it's 2:12 and I should be back. So let's go back to the lab. I just got my lunch here and I'm going to go in the lab. Hello, I'm Samir and I'm a researcher and third year senior college student. I'm a computer science student, and also I do research in RNA tertiary structure analysis, base pairing analysis, molecular dynamics, and high dimensional geometry. Right now, today is 18 and I have a presentation due tomorrow. It's not the presentation, I just have to decide whether I'm going to do an oral presentation or a poster presentation. So there is one conference coming in called Symposium at CSUMB. It is in the August, and I will be presenting there my base pairing project. but I'm not sure which I'm presenting. It's either gonna be a poster presentation where I present everything on the poster, or it will be an oral presentation where I will give a presentation using slides to the audience. But I'm talking with my PI, which is a principal investigator, which is my professor, who is like a PhD advisor. He's my principal investigator. He's looking all over my research and results. So we have been developing some scripts and running some analysis on best bearings, and based on the results that we get, we will decide whether to go with the oral presentation or a poster presentation. My personal choice would be to go for an oral presentation because I think that makes a lot of I would say like that makes more sense to give like oral presentation to the audience. But even if I get a poster presentation, that will be awesome. Anyway, now I'm gonna go into some analysis here. This is the PDB that I usually, wow, it's really deformatted right now, but I'm gonna look at this PDB using a VR. So yeah, this is how a protein or RNA looks like in a three-dimensional space. We have a primary structure, which is just a sequence, and then we have a secondary structure, which also consists of the base pairs, and then we have a tertiary structure where we have all atoms and nucleotide in a three-dimensional space, and there's also quaternary structures for protein, also RNAs. But RNAs do not really form quaternary structures. There are some, but that's my part of my study. I haven't studied them much. There aren't many, but this is how tertiary structure looks like. I'm gonna go in VR right now. I might show you something what I'm looking at, but I don't think so I can. So let's go in the VR. So this is my VR headset. It is a Oculus Rift, and then these are the trackers down there, and let's go in. Okay. Enter. Perfect. So I can see the entire structure in 3D right now. You guys cannot see what I'm looking at, but I think I can show you from the little bit of the window here. Can you look at this structure? This is what I look inside the VR. I'm looking at a structure in three-dimensional space. I can tag it, I can do various manipulation on it, and it's just a really good experience to look the structure in 3D and move around it. I can show you here's an atom, and these are the nucleotides. What I was looking at inside. Yeah, and you use your standard controller to control it. It works pretty good. That's why I have so many batteries, because this guy is operated on a single cell battery, and yeah. I'm going to do more analysis in the VR as well as on the screen. We have many softwares here to do that. Particularly looking at 1Y26 here again. 1Y26. So when I say 1Y26, I'm referring to the PDB. That's a protein data bank, and every protein structure, identified protein structure, has its own ID, and that's what we are referring to, PDB ID. This is my current favorite PDB. I have many favorite PDBs, but this one is my favorite right now, 1Y26. Alright, I'm gonna go in a VR again and see more. Yeah, I'll catch you up later. Alright, now I'm going to work on my basic annotation project a little bit, and then I also have internship work. So right now I'm going to work on the base bearing work. It's 7:20 in the evening now, and I'm going to go home and get dinner, and then probably come back, or maybe just do some work on laptop.